In this video, I will answer the question that can an iPad be used for coding or not? Now, the short answer is yes, but the long answer is it depends on what type of coding you want to do. If you're just learning programming on your iPad, then there are many IDEs available to learn programming, whether it be Python, Java, or web development. There is an IDE and a software to do so. Especially if you have an iPad laying around, you can definitely use it to learn programming. And also, if you use an online code editor, and if most of your work is on the browser, then definitely you can use an iPad for coding. While there are many replacements for IDEs and softwares in the App Store, but if you want to use a specific professional tool like IntelliJ IDEA, VS Code, C Lion, or WebStorm, then an iPad is not the tool for you to do coding, since most of these professional tools are not available in the App Store. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.